Hi guys, so I'm back. So good afternoon. So this is Sunday. Today is Sunday, the 10th of March 2019. So this is my D-Tracker 250 Kawasaki D-Tracker 250, and this is my Kawasaki KLX150 that I use for mainly off-road. Okay, but it is a street legal. I have the how do we call it, Rotex, the legal text. Okay? And this is the one that I'm using to go to work every day. So right now I'm in the process of changing the oil, okay, the 40 oil. So after this I'm going to explain to you the effect of using magnetic drain plug. Actually I do a bit of modification on my drain plug. So after this you'll see. Okay, so after this we continue. I need to drain the oil first. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So right now I'm draining the all oil for my D-Tracker. Okay, as you can see right there, it's pitch black. Okay, so while waiting for the old oil drain, so I'll explain to you what do I have here. So this is my drain plug, so you can see it clearly. Okay, and you can see that there's something on the top of the plug here, or nut here. Okay, actually this is the what do we say, excess from the engine, which is metal, and I have put a magnet, a small magnet. So I send this drain plug to machinery, and then I put a small magnet in it, okay, that I bought from Daiso for less than 8 ringgit, or around $2 or $1 maybe. Okay, so after this I'm going to show you what do we have here. I need to get a paper towel first, and I'll show you what is sticking on the magnet here. Okay, I'll be back. Put it here, as you can see there. So I get the paper towel. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So right now I'm going to clean the top of the magnet here, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to rub it off on the paper towel. Okay, it's very difficult for me since I have the other hand to hold the camera here. Okay, so as you can see up here, right here is the magnet. So I lay the center of the drain plug here, as you can see, and I put 2 magnets inside it. So I cannot recall the size of the magnet, but it's quite small. I'm not sure, but I have 2 of it. Okay, so as you can see here, right here, actually is the remaining, you can see that the, what do we call it, the excess from the engine. So when engine is moving, okay, operating, of course there will be friction between the component, so it causes the thing to have excess here. So if I put the magnet at the back of the if I put this magnet at the back of the paper towel here, you can see the excess metal is sticking on the magnet. So let's give it a try. So if you can see, yes, I have the magnet at the back here, so the thing is moving actually, if you can see. So I pull it out and I put it in front here. You can see. Okay. As you can see, it's sticking. Yes. So that is actually the excess from the engine, or maybe the piston, I don't know. Okay. Actually, for me, using this drain plug is a good thing, because normally when I try to change my oil filter, and when I open the component, when I open the slot for the oil filter, I found out that my oil filter is clean like new. So normally I change the oil filter maybe for after using for 3 to 4 months, and then I change to the oil filter, but still the oil filter is clean. Normally it's clean, it's like new. So right now I don't have to change my oil filter, okay, because I know that it's going to be clean inside, because I believe that the magnet here is pulling all the excess from the engine itself, okay, meaning it will not circulate in the oil filter, and then it will not stick in the oil filter. It will stay right here until you open it, and until you clean it and change it into a new oil. So what you need to do is, after you clean this, okay, and then you just need to put it back over there, okay, and then change to a new oil, and then ride happily ever after. That's what I do. Okay. And the same thing goes with my KLX here. I'm also using the magnetic oil filter, but this one is, as you can see, okay, this one, the same thing. Okay. It's also using the magnetic oil filter, magnetic drain plug, and it's very good. Okay. So after this, I'm going to put this. So this is my second lock. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm out. Thank you.